So good morning guys. Me and Chris are going to Bon Echo today.
Chris and I.
Yeah, Chris and I. What did I say?
You said me and Chris.
Chris and I are going to Bon Echo today. One of the provincial park here in Ontario. And so we're going to do a little bit hiking over there. So yeah, Angel is not home, so only me and Chris today. So I'm going to show you the nature today, guys. So see you later. Bye. It's an hour and a half drive though. So yeah, take a while before I get there. It's only like 6:15 this time. AM Sunday.
Topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the flames. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, loving till my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Could be happy, see if you can catch me. I'm spinning through the air, laughing wild, just like a child, and knowing we don't care. And when the storm is raging all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the rain. Shadows on
So we arrived now here guys at Bon Echo Provincial Park. We're going to park the car and we're going for a walk. It's so nice, it's so beautiful. So it's all green scenery. I'll show you guys. Okay, so we're here guys. We park our car over there and we're going to walk now on a trail. So, yeah, look at that. Hey, Chris, start. Alright, so hey guys, this is the start of our walking on a trail. So yeah. Okay. Do self.
Where are we at? Here?
Oh, that's why I put these things here. Hey guys, so this is the trail here. I don't think I'm going to wear my sunglasses for now because it's a little bit snuggled. So it's so beautiful, beautiful but lots of wild plants. So yeah,
Lots of mosquitoes.
lots of mosquitoes. Alright, okay. Well, just follow us guys. I'm going to show you later the lake. It's very nice and look at this. So nice and beautiful. Okay. Take my picture here today. Take my picture today. Turn it up now. And picture. Hey guys. So we're maybe walking for at least 1 kilometer now.
Put the paper on the dash.
It's alright. So yeah, look at that, guys. You heard that nature sound? So beautiful. Yeah.
Birds and bugs.
There's just lots of bugs here. That's the only thing, the downside of that, of this walking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. See the birds. Yes.
It's not Bon Echo Lake.
It's not. So we're going to look to now, guys. So it's another like maybe 7-kilometer walk, which is okay. Maybe another like 2 hours walk. Yeah. Well, it's alright. Yeah. It's so nice. The beautiful are very nice. It's just the bugs and mosquito. Lots of bugs and mosquito. So yeah, still nice. Still nice walk. And there's my poor husband there, trying to kill the mosquito.
Bug buffet.
Alright. Alright. See guys, we'll just walk more.
Let's see what kind it is.
Oh, I cannot really. Oh guys, we're halfway for our 10-kilometer walk. Oh, I see some snake. What kind of snake?
Eastern garter snake.
Eastern garter snake. I'm scared. I'm scared of the snake. You know, in the Philippines, the snake are so harmful.
Are they?
Yeah, here like harmless, but I'm scared. Like, you know. So yeah, so scared of the snakes. So we're halfway.
Not all snakes are harmless.
We're going almost halfway, guys. Yeah. Look to it's like, so this is like maybe the exit, right?
Yeah.
We're going back now to the car. Oh my god. Maybe another 5 kilometer. So hey guys, we made it to Essence Lake here. So nice. So tiring, but it's worth it, I guess. So you wanna eat the breakfast or this? Have some breakfast with us so we can sit here. Or there in the middle right there to that. Let's go there. Still taking video. Here. So yeah, this is taking a picture here. Alright, I'll take picture of the two of us. Do like. done, sweetheart. It's done.
Yeah, it does look like we're walking around the lake.
Huh?
Oh, we got a long way to go. We're doing that.
Sure. Just take picture up. Sweetheart.
Well, this is that long stretch of the lake. Reaches
It's
off.
against the light though.
It shouldn't be too bad.
No, it's against the light. Okay, let's go now. Parking area, guys. So yeah, it's over there. The parking area. Another few meters walk. So nice in here. Beautiful. Oh, so that's our 9-kilometer walk today. Oh, it feels good, but except for the bugs. Mosquito, oh my gosh. We'll see later how many bites I get from those mosquito. But it's so nice. It's up and hill, up downhill, so it feels like longer, but it feels good. So yeah, Chris is there. I kind of like walk, run, so that's why he's behind me. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, guys, to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, so there's some few things here.